front leg in 90-degree position. Bring that back leg straight. Gonna go into a pigeon pose here. Get those hips loosened up. Wonderful. Now if you can, just come back, grab that ankle, and just pull your ankle towards your butt. I have to kind of put my knee out to the side a little bit, not directly behind myself. Get that full stretch in, loosen your hips up. Okay, I'm just going to switch sides. Just bringing that left leg 90 degrees in front of me. Come into folding down over top. Back leg is straight. Feel that in this bent knee, the front knee, not the leg, in the front leg, and my hip, my inner thigh here. I can feel this in my back leg, my hip flexor. And then, once again, I can't just lift my leg back, so I kind of bring my knee out to the side a little bit. Reach back, grab that ankle, and then I try and reposition as much as I can. And just pull that heel right to your butt. Get that quad stretched out. Whew. Hands up overhead. Pull them behind your back. A little crisscross applesauce for everything. Okay, amazing job, you guys, today. Thank you so much for joining. Go ahead, like and comment, send to a friend. I'll see you guys next time.